Are you confused about which decentralized exchange to use? Today, we'll compare PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and SushiSwap to help you decide. All three are popular platforms in the world of decentralized finance. They allow users to swap tokens without needing a central authority. Each has its own unique features and benefits. Let's start with PancakeSwap. This platform is built on the Binance Smart Chain. It offers lower fees and faster transactions compared to others. PancakeSwap also has a user-friendly interface, making it easy for newcomers. Now, let's talk about Uniswap. This is one of the first decentralized exchanges built on the Ethereum blockchain. It has a large variety of tokens and strong liquidity. Uniswap is known for its reliable performance and security, but it can have higher fees due to Ethereum's network. Next up is SushiSwap. This platform started as a fork of Uniswap. It offers many similar features but adds some unique perks. SushiSwap has its own token, Sushi, which provides rewards for users. It also has a focus on community governance, giving users a say in its future. So, what are the key differences? PancakeSwap is cheaper and faster, while Uniswap has a wider selection of tokens. SushiSwap offers unique rewards and governance options. When it comes to features, all three allow token swaps and liquidity pools. However, PancakeSwap stands out for its low fees. Uniswap excels in token variety, and SushiSwap shines with its community-driven approach. In terms of pricing, PancakeSwap usually has the lowest fees, while Uniswap can be more expensive, especially during busy times. SushiSwap falls somewhere in between. So, which one should you choose? If you want low fees and fast transactions, go for PancakeSwap. If you prefer a large selection of tokens, Uniswap is the way to go. And if you want to be part of a community and earn rewards, check out SushiSwap. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.